2. Make hand shadow puppets. You'll need a wall, a light, and your hands. Here's the dog. Put your hands halfway between the light and the wall. Stretch your hand out so your 4 fingers are pointing forward. Bend your pointer finger. Stick up your thumb to make the ear. Ruff, ruff.
What up, dog?
Ruff, ruff. The deer. Hold out one hand, bringing your pointer and pinky over your middle and ring finger and fold down your thumb. This is the deer's face. Bend your other hand back at the wrist and curl your fingers to make the antlers. Rest the antlers on top of the deer's head. Hey, what do you call a deer with no eyes?
No idea.
Exactly. The grumpy old man. Turn your hand upside down. Make a fist. Stick out your middle knuckle to make his nose. Use your thumb as his mouth.
This soup is too cold. This music is too loud. This couch is too couchy.
Hi, I'm McPufferson.
Why is this great talking to me?
The bird. Put your hands halfway between the light and the wall. Link your thumbs together. Stretch out your hands to make the wings.
Magog!
Polly want a cracker? Yikes! McPufferson, out!
Magog!
You made the animals with your hands, now do it with your body. The dog. Turn your body into an upside down V. And hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The deer. Bend both legs and touch your front leg to your back knee. Lie forward like a sleeping deer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The bird. This one's a pigeon. Leave your front leg where it is and extend your back leg. Lean forward and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The old man. Now, there is no old man pose, so just lie down and take a nap.